Hello everyone, this is Rohit Khinchandani and welcome to Stratigem. Today we will explore how AI tools are transforming strategic planning. Traditionally, strategy projects took months of research, analysis, and workshops. In the AI era, many of these steps can be automated, accelerated, and enhanced. This doesn't mean that AI replaces consultants or executives. It means AI frees them from grunt work, enabling deeper insight and faster decisions. In this session, we will explore the role of AI in strategic planning, practical tools available, examples from enterprises, risks to watch, and a framework to adopt AI for strategy. So let's move on to the first part of this video lecture, which is the problem with traditional strategic planning. So traditional strategy cycles are slow, research and data collection takes weeks. Traditional strategy cycles are static, so plans are outdated the moment they are printed. It is expensive, high reliance on manual consulting hours, and subjective. Decisions shaped by biases more than evidence. So AI addresses each of these limitations. Now we will see how AI accelerates strategy. So AI enhances strategy by data collection first. So data collection is automated and the research across millions of sources is also automated. Then analysis. So uses NLP and machine learning to find patterns in markets and competitors. Forecasting. So predicts scenarios using predictive analytics. And finally decision support. So suggests strategic options based on evidence. This moves strategy from static to dynamic, from hindsight to foresight. Now we will see AI tools for strategic planning. So some examples of tools are first market intelligence. So Alpha Sense, CB Insights, Crayon, etc. For scenario planning, Palantir, Databricks, and some custom GPT models are used. Dashboarding and visualizations. So Power BI, Tableau, and AI Insights. For consulting productivity, Notion plus GPT, Slidebot, and Tome. And for forecasting and modeling, AWS Forecast and Azure ML. Each tool reduces friction in the strategy lifecycle. Now let's see three case studies. One from the consumer goods company. So a consumer goods company used AI market intelligence to spot early consumer trends, cutting research time by 70%. A global bank leveraged AI forecasting for risk scenarios, improving resilience planning, and a consulting firm adopted GPT powered research assistants, delivering projects 40% faster. Now, what are the risks and challenges? First is data quality. So, if garbage is in, then finally, as a result, garbage will be out. Over reliance. So, leaders may trust AI blindly. Bias. Algorithms may embed systemic issues. And integration. Tools must fit into the workflows. Now, what is the role of consultant? So, consultants can curate the right AI tools for clients, train teams on adoption, interpret AI outputs into business insights, and ensure responsible and ethical use. Now, here is a five-step framework. So, first is define. So, clarify strategic goals, then discover, select AI tools for intelligence and forecasting, deploy, integrate into workflows, decide, use AI to inform and not to replace human judgment, and finally develop, continuously refine based on outcomes. So, in conclusion, AI reduces the friction, time, and subjectivity of strategic planning. Leaders who adopt AI tools don't just plan faster, they plan smarter. Consultants who master AI enabled strategy delivery will define the next era of the industry. So ask yourself that are you planning strategy like it's 1995 or accelerating it with AI like it's 2025. So thank you for joining in this session. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you have any suggestions or feedbacks, please post them in the comment section below. Thank you.